Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports as of 27th December 2024. Political news. Income tax reduction considered. The Indian government is contemplating reducing personal income taxes for individuals earning up to 1.5 million rupees annually. This initiative aims to boost consumption amid a slowing economy and high living costs. The proposed changes would apply to the 2020 tax system, offering lower rates without major exemptions. A final decision is expected by the budget announcement on 1st February. RJD open to alliance with JDU. In Bihar, the Rashtriya Janata Dal, RJD, has expressed willingness to partner with Nitish Kumar's Janata Dal, United, if they sever ties with the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. RJD leaders suggest potential political realignments, indicating readiness for new alliances depending on JDU's decisions. Congress criticized BJP over institutional control. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has accused the BJP of attempting to control constitutional institutions like the Election Commission. During a Congress Working Committee meeting, he emphasized the party's commitment to the Gandhi-Nehru legacy and urged unity to counter false narratives from opponents. Sports news. Boxing Day Test highlights. Virat Kohli fined. Indian cricketer Virat Kohli has been fined 20% of his match fee and received a demerit point following a collision with Australian debutant Sam Constance during the Boxing Day Test. The incident drew widespread criticism, though Kohli avoided suspension and is eligible for the upcoming Sydney Test. Sam Constance impresses on debut. 19-year-old Australian cricketer Sam Constance made a remarkable debut, scoring 60 runs off 65 balls. His fearless performance, including audacious shots against bowler Jasprit Bumrah, has been praised as a revitalizing moment for Test cricket. Day 1 Summary. Australia concluded the first day of the Boxing Day Test at the Melbourne Cricket Ground with a score of 6 by 311. Notable contributions came from Usman Khawaja, 1957, Marnus Labuschagne, 72, and Steve Smith, 68. India's Jasprit Bumrah took 3 wickets for 75 runs, keeping the match competitive. Champions Trophy venue update. Due to political tensions, India will play their matches in the upcoming Champions Trophy in the United Arab Emirates, UAE. Pakistan, the host nation, has designated the UAE as a neutral venue for matches involving India. This arrangement follows India's decision against sending its team to Pakistan, adhering to government advice. That's all for now. Please like and subscribe this channel for future updates. Have a wonderful day ahead.